Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2016 Ford Transit. So from any screen you can either go to menu, this is a long way around, and go to sync settings. In order to select the settings you have to use this. I always have a habit of pressing the volume button, but sync settings, okay. If you're having any trouble connecting a mobile, just make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there. And it's got Bluetooth on. So in order to delete a mobile, just navigate down to Bluetooth devices using these 4 arrows, select Bluetooth devices. You'll see there it's already selected. My phone's at the top, so Barry's iPhone, and then it's got add, delete or connect. Now the add, delete and connect corresponds to these 4 buttons here. That's delete. Now if it, say for instance I wanted to knock John's phone off, I just navigate down there, and as you can see, once you've highlighted the phone you've got the same instructions, but it's mine I want to delete. So there you go. So add or delete, click delete, delete Barry's iPhone, and you've got yes there and no there. If you've made a mistake, Barry's iPhone deleted, that's it, gone.